Ever wonder what happens before your jet even leaves the ground? Welcome to the high-stakes world of flight operations. It starts with a single request, triggering a high-speed chain of global coordination and instant routing. In seconds, permits are secured and weather patterns analyzed through advanced real-time data streams. Ground crews move with surgical precision, fueling and prepping the aircraft for immediate departure. This is flight ops in real time, mission ready every single time, prepared for takeoff.